I'm Philomena, and I am from this company is a family-run company.
So out of the 2,800 employees or workers that you
Yes.
have, how many would be women approximately?
90%.
It's amazing.
The first is, it's a job that is very individual to the person. You skill yourself to any limit. That's how you rise. The thing is, women are by themselves, a little bit creative in nature, very meticulous about things, and all that stuff. So all these things, when they put together, plus they have a sense of freedom that yes, they really are empowered, because when you are able to do what you want, what's running in your mind, I want to buy this, I want to have this, I want to give this to my child. They do it, they do it just for that sake. This industry by itself is doing this for a lot of people, mostly women, because people factories, they like to have them because they work hard.
Yeah.
For the people in and around Tirupur, we have vehicles to bring them and take them back home. For those coming from further places, from the north and things like that, we have hostels. If you ask me challenges, I think I was blessed to have none, really. Because what we were thinking together, it was one thought process. So what we thought, we made sure it happened. So the challenge was not there. The challenge was always only financial.
Right.
And as the business grew, you cover that easily. To start the business, I think, yes, you must come. Now it's the time for all the basic stuff and all that is crowded. The market is full of all that, those kind of factors. Now you need to come in with that little bit of edge over that. You need to have more creativity, bring out new products. If anything new is there and you have to start, it will just fly. People, there is a market for anything that you want to do. There is a market, and I would be very happy to have more and more women into the thing, because I think it's a good job to do. It's a good job to do.